The problems you have are not the problems that come over time. Neighbor you born speaking.
Surprise, surprises will come.
Certainly surprises will have to be. Speak what you want. I see faces for which I don't expect to be here. And I see cameras which are not of mine. The cameras which are not of MSTV. Yes, I will welcome you.
Okay,
before we continue,
of course,
I'm going to talk on something which was on social media everywhere. That was a Thursday, and he was sleeping. And someone came and knocked on my door. And I told the person, wait a minute. And he took his time until he woke up. But by the time he woke up, he's not always with smartphone. It's like he had missed calls 30. And every missed call, I see journalism. And I say, whom did I wrong or steal? Oh, who wants to take my food this time around? Okay, who is demanding me? Those are my stories. He kept quiet and said, hey, do I have my mother who has reported me? And he came out of the room. And he called my son, showed me the phone. Cried tears. And I was like, what is happening? Why woman divorced went to her. And he put a tracker on him. He reached there for the woman with another man. I just left it there. But when it got to 5 in the evening, that it has a way, it has expanded. And I got a phone. And I called in the village where my mother is. And I asked her, where you are? Are you with your daughter? She said no, not with her. She's doing certain things. And I asked, is she on the phone? And she told me she was the one with the phone. And I said, you take over. And man asked, why do I remove the phone from her? I told her the things in the news, they are hitting her. If at all she sees them, remember she's not used. You know they have called us different names, but we are used to them. I told her, she's going to be hurt. Just take her phone away. And then the mother took a phone from her. But it was went beyond. Then Friday she showed it to her. And she was like so afraid. I asked her a question. Do you remember remember a day
when
I sat with you
and
I told you that I don't want to show you the camera? Do you remember the words I told you? If I show you to people, your life is going to vanish. They are going to call you sort of things. They are going to abuse you. And she said, I remember. And I told her that a life of ours. They have called us witch doctors. They have called us rose hormone. They have called us rapists. You know, you rape women. You know, they have brought sicknesses to us. They wanted us, made us collaborate with different people. And I told her, the day they will know you, they will not lack anything to do on you. It happened. Everyone spoke one another. The journalist goes to Pastor, you want to close by press conference? And I told them I don't answer questions anymore. But when you meet me, you'll find me in the service. And now they are gone. There are some. Someone wrote that they had put a song for me. That is a come, is a go. The problems you have are not the problems that some of us have. Now let me tell you this. Some of us, God made us that when I get you, unless it's you and say there is no way you go. Now to you, whoever writes Iseka is a go. That is your song. That is your song. That is what they did to you. Do not bring your pillow song to us. Oh, some of us, we have the anointing. We have the anointing. So things of the news, I even don't know who started it. I'm used. Neighbor won't speak. Surprise, Certainly surprises you have to speak what you want. Is around. You don't find him. Just know you will you've lost. Your words. Is very you will not speak. Now what I want to tell people, I understand. Whoever gave you such things, whoever gave them to you, I don't need to curse him or what.
Tumanyiza mu International Conference ku Healthcare and Social Work egenda okubeerawo June nga 21 paka 22 mu Ontario Science Centre 770 John Mills Road, North York on M3C IT3. Ng'omulomo guli nti Health in a Social Perspective. Oba ogenda kubeera International Delegate ojja kusasula Canadian dollars 4 ate Local Delegate Canadian dollars 3. Matino Conference tesosola. Tujja kwaniriza bamaama, bataata, bakadama, babankazi, aba human resource, ba artisti, buli muntu akola mu bantu, betuyize ba social workers, ga mu healthcare, ba doctors, ba nurses, ba caregivers, ba RPN, ba counselors, ba ARN, ba PSWs, na bonna abantu abakola mu bantu ba social workers. Okumanya ebisingawo kuba plus 647 702 2922 oba plus 137 288 9862. Eno International Conference ya Healthcare and Social Work ewagidwa 19 Gale Initiative for Global Health, Sweet Heaven, Brookside Staffing Agency, M&G Media, Ontario Science Centre, Nightingale Holdings Limited, era netegekebwa Global Events Canada, ne Nightingale Initiative for Global Health.
Platinum Wellness Spa offers therapeutic massage services complimentary with sauna and steam bath for your full body cleansing. You can now get a Swedish massage, hot stones, sport massage, aromatherapy, salt ability hot stone therapy, Moroccan bath hammam, jacuzzi, and many more therapeutic massage varieties. We are located along Lukuli Road near Teletubbies Primary School, off Rumala Access, Kongebuziga. Call us on 0708-842-821. Platinum Wellness Spa, here to take care of you.
Amanya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Alihira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okwenjawulo. So olwaleero tuli waneeno nga tuli nkola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Waneeno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017669992 ne MTN 0789224230. Enamba ezo zonna kweziri ku WhatsApp.
Morris Cakes and Events Limited bakola cakes eza birthday, okwanjula, baby shower, bridal shower, mu buli design yonna gy'oyagala, traditional cakes n'ebika ebirala. Kosa n'okutegeka emikolo ne girabika bulungi. Basangibwa wa Kaliga okumpi n'akatale k'aba veteran ku namba z'essimu z'olaba wansi awo ku call ne WhatsApp. Kola order keke kutuukako yonna gy'owangaalira. Mariam Massa mukyala muyimbi, mukyala muzadde, ayimba music, abuulirira ate azimba. Alina akayimba akapya bakayita eddembe ly'abato, omuli obubaka obukwata ku baana n'abakulu. Kanoonye ku YouTube channel Mariam for Children ne Facebook Mariam Music.